Hey friends, Gary here, and today I want to share some tips on how to have more fun with photography. So many people are torturing themselves with the obligation to take nice pictures. They simply forget how to have fun with photography, and I hope you aren't one of these people. Well, the obligation to take a nice picture isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's a sign of perfection. It's a sign that you are a hard-working photographer. That's very important if you are a professional photographer. However, if you're just a hobbyist photographer like I am, then maybe you need to rethink about this, because photography isn't just about getting the most perfect picture. It is also about having fun. It's about enjoying your time taking some pictures. Photography is not a chore, it's not a competition, it's also not an obligation. Don't get too obsessed with technical details like the megapixel of the camera, the sensor size, the sharpest lens, things like that, or like the perfect moment, the perfect weather. You don't want to obsess too much about them. I mean, they are great to a certain degree, but when you are become overly too competitive in this kind of technical details, then it starts to make photography less fun, in my opinion. And that brings us to how to enjoy photography even more. Well, first tip is to enjoy your camera. Feel the tactility of your camera, all the buttons, all the dials, what makes your camera so special, what makes it enjoyable to use. Just appreciate it. This might sound a little bit weird to enjoy your camera, but it's true. If your camera is not inspiring, then you won't be taking pictures with your camera. Take some time to appreciate this little device called a camera and its ability to preserve a moment in time. Next tip to have better fun with photography is to carry lighter camera gear. That's why I use Micro Four Thirds camera system, because it is lighter, it is smaller compared to other camera formats. But you don't have to use Micro Four Thirds camera system. You can use any camera format that you want, but you want to prioritize cameras that are smaller. You want to also prioritize lenses that are smaller, and you also want to learn to carry less gear. Don't get burdened with the weight of your camera gear when you are out and about in the field. And I guarantee if you have lighter camera gear, you can have a much better time on the field. Looks like it's going to rain, so I'm gonna have to be really quick with this video. Next tip to have better fun with photography is to set a challenge for yourself. Use only one lens or one focal length. Shoot only black and white. Shoot only a certain kind of objects. Just make a challenge for yourself. A challenge, as long as it's doable, will make photography more fun. It'll make you think, it'll make you contribute to the process of making pictures, and it'll make you creative. And that's the most enjoyable part of doing photography, when you're able to improve your picture taking skill. Next tip to enjoy photography even more is to pause. Just put your camera down for 1 minute and admire the beautiful landscape in front of you, just with your eyes, free of the distraction of the camera and the lens and the obligation to take that nice picture. This will inspire gratefulness, and it will also make the moment extra special. You can just feel everything with your senses. You can hear the sounds of the wind. You can see the beautiful landscape with your eyes. You can feel everything and just absorb it. That will make it really enjoyable, and when you are feeling refreshed, you can start to pick up your camera again and take more pictures. Last but not least, to enjoy photography even more, my tip is to celebrate small victories. If you captured a stunning, beautiful picture, celebrate it. Have a nice dinner with your friends, drink your favorite wine, or have a nice rest. The point is, you want to pat yourself in the back. You did really great. You captured that nice picture. That's all that matters. You deserve to celebrate and reward yourself responsibly. Those little celebrations over time will motivate you to take more pictures, and in turn it will also improve your photography, because now you are motivated to take better pictures and also it will make photography more fun for you. So it's all good and it's all really nice benefits. Hey friends, sorry for interrupting this video. Just a quick announcement, if you want to learn how to take better pictures, you should check out my course ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography. In this ebook, you will learn all the things that you need to know about travel photography and just photography in general. It is based on my 12 plus years experience as an enthusiast travel photographer after visiting more than 20 countries around the world. And that includes composition, layering, storytelling, camera settings, mastering your lenses and focal lengths, best travel cameras, best travel lenses, travel photography gear, and many more, including plenty of sample pictures. If you are interested in getting this ebook and you want to purchase it, you can go to this link right here or scan this QR code right here using your phone, or you can go to the description below. I will put the link there as well. By purchasing this ebook, you will greatly help me to continue making high quality photography content on this channel. Thank you, and now let's continue with the video. And those are all my tips on how to make photography more fun for you. I think I need to wrap up today's video because I think it's going to rain pretty soon. So yeah, hopefully this has been interesting, inspiring and motivating for you, and also fun to watch as well. So let me know on the comment down below. Let's have a little bit of a discussion. What do you guys usually do when you want to have more fun with photography? Please let me know. If you guys have any questions, also comment down below as well. I will try my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my work even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below, or use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.